Good day, Kehewin. We are now in week 9 of the global pandemic and week 7 of our state of local emergency. We have no positive cases here in Kehewin, and we remain committed to the public safety measures and the other things we've put in place to help our members with their health and safety. With the province reopening, there's a lot of temptation to follow suit, but we have to remember how much more vulnerable we are here on reserve. Today's update will include, in response to the number of calls received with regard to off-reserve support, we have added a 5th option, and there you may leave a voice message, what is then directed to the finance department for response. So please utilize that option as a means to get a direct response to your request. And remember that the COVID helpline, the website, the KCN communication page, the Kehewin Health Services page, these are all ways to keep up to date with some of the latest developments as things progress and as we move through this pandemic. So the winners of the yard contest are, first place is Keisha John, second place went to Colleen McCarthy, and third went to Glenn Young Chief. So in order to catch the whole update, visit the Kehewin Health Services Facebook page. And again, we are hoping to get more in sync and understand how people may not have online. We're trying to get our newsletter out, but certainly, talk to your neighbor. Someone in your neighborhood, in your family, has access to online. And certainly that's what the 1833 number is for. The other part of our update today includes a presentation by our Project Green Thumb lady, Shannon Hambly. We all know her. And she's been a really great resource and building up this project. What we're really trying to promote is our people to be self-sufficient in food sovereignty. So get out there gardening, follow through with the harvesting. It's going to be something to do for you all summer. So here's Shannon.
Hi, this is Shannon, Hambly-Watchmaker with the Kehewin Cree Nation Garden Update. We've been working on a Kehewin food sovereignty plan for a while now, and that includes hunting, fishing, small game, ducks, whatnot, possibly growing meat rabbits, breeding meat rabbits, chickens, whatnot, and some of the members have been stepping up to join out in those activities. But we've been working on Project Green Thumb. Project Green Thumb has been a community-driven project that is building the gardening that's already in existence in Kehewin. In the past couple of years, we've had probably 20 to 30 gardens that are regularly tilled and tended to by the nation. We support that. Now with this project, a lot of those regular gardens are being expanded into larger gardens to provide for more homes, preparing for freezing for the winter, canning, whatnot. So now our project is up to over 60. So if you haven't been included into our list yet, you can contact the phone number 1-833-KEHEWIN and just let them know that you'd like to be added to our tilling list. Some of our new breaks are getting disked and then they're getting tilled. We're halfway through our list right now. So if they haven't come to your place yet, they will be there shortly. We're still trying to meet our goal to have all the gardens tilled by Tuesday or Wednesday. The weather's been a little bit chilly still for planting, so we've been delivering some of the seeds. So hopefully if you wanted to start your seedlings indoors or in a greenhouse or by a warm window, preferably southern facing, that's your best option right now, and preparing for a late after May long weekend planting, or for June 1st if you prefer to wait just a little bit longer. We're still worried with Alberta weather, with the frosts and whatnot, harming our fresh seedlings and having the best chance for growth and for success in our gardens for the year. We've had quite a few seed donations. There's been some places that we've ordered from, so we've done our first round of seed drop-offs, and we'll be continuing as soon as we receive the rest this week. Our team has been coming around doing some surveys and interviews on the gardening. We are assessing what you're growing so we can see what needs you have, what potential problems there could be. We dropped off some a pamphlet in regards to showing you how to plan your garden, if you want to do it by companion planting, if you'd like to just, throw it all in the garden and see what grows. We're here to help you with those type of issues, pest control, advice, support. So we have all of the gardens in the mapping system under Lightship, and we were going to add through the summer berry patches, places for herbal picking, medicines, whatnot, so that we know where to go to pick up those things, and also to be adding to our regular berry patches, adding more raspberries, blueberries, whatnot, to promote growth and permaculture gardening to restore what's already there. So far we have 60 homes, about 190 people within those 60 homes. Those 60 homes have the lofty goals of supporting up to 450 people with their gardens by providing for their family. We are also looking into providing some raised garden beds, possibly for some elders or those with limited mobility. So if that's something that you are interested in, then again, you can phone that number, the 1-833 Kehewin, in order to let us know that that's what your needs are. We're looking into possibly getting some greenhouses and providing support that way, so we can do a longer year of growing, since our growing season in zone 3A here is a shorter term. We're looking for some fun activities for some fall harvest stuff, or some coloring contests of your children, showing us some pictures of what your gardens have been succeeding and their love of gardening. We will have a regular schedule of visits to your homes. And we also have a support group under the Kehewin Facebook page, Kehewin Food Sovereignty. You may join that page to see regular updates and to communicate your needs on there. We do have a couple warnings or issues. Since we do have the gardening team that is coming in and out of the home and sites, we've been having an issue with dogs. One of our members was already bitten by a dog. So if you do have dogs that can be aggressive to people, staff that are coming in, we'd like to know that if that's an issue, and we'd like to just give the warning that possibly we may not feel safe in order to enter into the premises unless the dog is tied up or something's done. And we'll be here continually throughout the summer to provide regular support and to answer questions. And if we can't answer it, then we'll definitely find out any of the information that you require and get that to you. So we're hoping that you'll join our Garden Warriors team and continue with our food sustainability for Kehewin Cree Nation.
Thanks, Shannon, for your update. Everyone have a great weekend, and in parting, we'd like to leave you words from Elder Jerry John.
Hei, saatida. Hedeke paisega mahmaga. Muimsta hevaga kiitaa. Ego neuma. Suhtavuun. Kehtäjäkä pikset jäävät jääpsissä tavassa tuhto. Tuhto. Vihtiä taapsissä tavassa kiviska vatsavik. Kiikoi. Kiskitsovik. Päivän. Kävi suhtsiivat taujak. Viidä kehtäjäm. Avjak. Oot se ehkä teijut. Vavissi. Kebosov, kohkov, kitsapaat, ävama, taga tsiikeihta, kiego ävame, kau saapahtaman, kavapahtaman, kebosov. Liä, peavaasio, väikälyhtsä peaumossoven, aega lohkoven, äki nigaa nuhteetsyk. Äigodak. Katsegiuni Kehewin 1970 Naatau kaga wanapumak eili ni Kehewak. Aivan, kun te amanet pan paksihak kutak kehtejak, mitä nahku vaganak kagehta joutsak nuhtsa oisak. Nykaavis, nysukos, egonek, kiogok, kaviskava asomtsekki vai. Ja patab kehtejak, kan tuhtahtsik. Tsikeba, ekveks lahvas, maatsuun. Goma. Minu muuta katsagasti pajan. Skoatpada. Heidän nauettaan. Ai hei, saa siinä. Heidänkin päissäkö mahmaaka. Voimista heivaaga kiihtyään. Eikö neuma? Tuhtamuun. Kehtejäkään piikset käyvät jääp sissi tavassa tuhtoo. Tuhtoo. Vihtsee taap sissi tavassa kiviska vaasavik. Kiikoi. Kiskissovik. Päivän. Kävi suhtsiivat taujak. Viidä kehteem. Avjak. Oot se ehkä teut. Vavissi. Kebosov, kohkov, kitsapaat, vama, taga tsiikeihtä, vama, kaupsaa pahtaman, kavaa pahtaman, kebosov. Liä, peavasion, väikälyhtsä peavasomen, aika lohkomen, äki nikaan nuhteetsik. Äikonek. Katsegiuni Kehewin 1970 Naatau kaga wanapumak eili ni Kehewak. Aivan, kun te amanet pan paksihak kutak kehtejak, mitä nahku vaganak kagehta joutsak nuhtsa oisak. Nykaavis, nysukos. Egonek, kiogok, kaviskava asomtsekki vai. Ja patab kehtejak, kan tuhtahtsik. Tsikeba, ekveks lahvas, maatsuun. Goma. Minu muuta katsagasti pajan. Skoatpada. Heidän nauettaan. Goma. COVID-19, COVID-19, aiemmin. Puhuitte svenska mycket epäkotik. Muipatta ikävän. Vaadu ikävän, vaadu jäityt. Vaikustel. Sekä vaan oihin. Viina, saat, opet, näit, noitsevaganiat, ävitsevak, äksedihtet. Kun tabe kaptavet suuts, hai.
For any updates, information, or if you have any symptoms of the COVID-19 virus, please call or text the Kehewin toll-free helpline 1-833-Kehewin, 1-833-534-3946, or visit www.833kehewin.ca.